I think most people don't know that cough, what we call sensitivity, which means how likely you are to cough at something, that fluctuates. It's not always the same. And even people that have RCC would agree with this because they'll say they have good days and bad days. And there's a lot we don't know why, but what we do know is that it's primarily regulated by the brain. And that can be changed by illness. If you're sick, your threshold for what's going to make you cough actually goes down. So it takes less of a stimulant to make you cough. So everyone can probably relate to if you have an upper respiratory infection or really bad cold and you go outside and it's cold, it makes you cough.